Alright, we cut the bum off the mutton bird. There's got a gland in there that we need to get rid of. Slice the mutton bird halfway down. To get the guts out, we have to, there's got a membrane, you slide your finger down the side of the rib cage and pinch the membrane together under the backbone. Small cord that rests there, you just pinch it and pull it straight back. And there you've got the guts out. Okay, and now to the stuffing. We'll stuff this cavity up nice and tight. I use a favourite family recipe, or else you could also use a store-bought stuffing mix. So we'll stuff it in nice and tight here, and so that we've got them all set up. Then we use toothpicks. I usually use 3 toothpicks. You could use 2 or 3 toothpicks depending on the size of the cavity. Place them evenly through the flaps of the gut wall, and we've got that there. Okay, now we use just ordinary cotton and wind it round and round the first toothpick and work your way backwards and forwards in a figure 8 fashion through the first toothpick, and then the same again for the second toothpick, and then you can go right down to the last toothpick, figure 8 fashion 3 or 4 times, and you can finish off with a couple of half hitches, and that'll stop it from pulling through. Got it done. Cut the string off. It's ready. Okay, now we're ready to put the stuffed mutton birds in a roasting dish. You must use a rack underneath those mutton birds, so that the mutton birds are not wallowing in their own juices down there. Put them in the oven and cook that at 200 for approximately 40 minutes. After that, you can pull them out, dispense with the top lid, and put them back in the oven for a further 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, just to brown them off. Time, gentlemen. Those mutton birds out, just take in that smell. Beautiful. So we'll take the mutton bird out of the roasting dish and place it on your cutting board, so you can pull the leg, and if the leg comes away easily, you'll know that it's cooked. Take the toothpicks out and the cotton coming out, and a good sharp knife, and split the bird in half and up through the chest and through the wishbone, and slice it right through the backbone, and there you have half a mutton bird ready for serving. Kapai! Alright, I hope you enjoyed that segment of Pierre's Kitchen. Look forward to showing you some more recipes on how to cook mutton birds, different styles,